Hi everyone. So I'm introducing a new series on the Air on the Water channel, which will be called Traveling with my Kayak. And it will feature different trips where I've explored cities and locations in other countries, or perhaps special locations in Sweden. So follow along as we explore some exciting locations, bringing along an inflatable kayak. Alright, so I'm taking out the Packlite in the center of the city of Vilnius, Lithuania, and there's movement on the little river here. So this is actually the first time I take out the Packlite in moving water. There should even be a little bit of Whitewater ahead. So let's see how it performs. I must say it's really nice to have the actual support of the river, making the Packlite move really swiftly here without really any effort. So that's really nice, and it's a beautiful day today. Sky is almost clear. It's really warm for October, 14 maybe 15 degrees, and here comes a local park with autumn colors. This is a beautiful paddle experience so far. This is so much better than walking. I do expect some obstructions up ahead, so we'll see how this goes. It's a bit of a risk, but I have actually scouted the area a bit and it should be fine, I hope. People just waved at me from shore. I don't think they see this every day. Friendly, happy waves. Kind of got a maneuver here to stay away from the worst spots. And yeah, I do have some Whitewater. Class 1, I guess. Still. This is an absolutely beautiful day to do this. When I checked the area out on foot yesterday a little bit to have an idea about obstacles and such, it was quite gloomy, so it looked not that promising. Now this is completely beautiful. There's a beautiful stroll that you can do along the river in the park on the left. But this is obviously the better way. I'm getting splashed a little bit from the side here from the waves. Otherwise, this is going extremely well. Up ahead is Vilnius castle up on the hill there. And everywhere right now they're blowing leaves because so many leaves fell in the past days. I must say, so far this is a lot of fun and pretty easy, but it's gonna get trickier up ahead, I think. Ducks everywhere. Gotta keep an eye out here for obstacles in the water, rocks and such. Tree trunks, whatever. Avoid the worst points of current. And right now, right up ahead, is the castle of Vilnius up on the hill here. The Vilnius castle. The advantage of the Packlite is that you can turn around like this when you want to look at stuff, including with the camera. So this is really great for doing what I'm doing right now. Actually, this has gone surprisingly well. I thought there would be more obstacles that I might bump into on the way. So far there have been none, but I've been avoiding them as well. And it's gone much quicker than just walking the same path, which I did yesterday. So now I have actually reached the final stretch of this little stream here, and still with the castle on my left. I'm now heading towards the final segment where I have to work a little bit now to avoid this. Getting splashed a bit. This is the trickiest part, and when I'm past that, just under that bridge where the trickiest part is, I think, then I will be out in the large canal here. So let's see if I make it. And I'm through. I did get a little bit splashed from those waves, but it all went great. And now I'm out in the canal here on the river, still in central Vilnius. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe in order to stay updated on new videos and help others find the information on this channel. Happy paddles!